Yeah.
Icon Park, originally named iDrive 360 until 2018, is an entertainment complex in Orlando, Florida, that has been operating since 2015. The complex is on 20 acres, 8 ha, and has 9 featured attractions, including a 400-foot, 120 meters, observation wheel, a slingshot ride, a Madame Tussauds wax museum, and a sea life aquarium. The park also has various restaurants, shops, bars, and kiosk vendors. Icon Park is not owned and operated as a single enterprise like an ordinary enclosed amusement park. Instead, the park is on a 40-acre, 16 hectares site together with nearby hotels and restaurants, and the attractions at the site are owned separately and operated by various different companies who lease space and operate as tenants. 2. No tickets are needed for members of the public to enter the park itself or to visit the restaurants and shops on the site. Rather, tickets for the individual attractions are sold separately or in bundled packages.
Ano ka talaga, marami na yung mag-meeting. Magkawa ka na. Ito. Ayan. Hani, sasakay ka dyan? Sasakay ka dyan? Nakatadir ka lang. Ano pagtugawan na niya? Kamay up mo pala, akala ko tatayo eh.
Hindi, wala akong dyan.
Dalawa lang ano?
Hindi naman sa dalawa.
Yeah. Ang pangalan niya yan. Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Nakano?
Pagkawi for safety, around the grill, around down.
Please stand clear of the closing doors.